1983 has concentrated on converting plastic waste into tiny tiles for mosaic and multimedia paintings. Chalk and charcoal waste were also converted as painting media, which I personally used since 1984. My collaboration with Yanide and Grace Oku led to the conversion and usage of horticultural waste as glacis for ceramics. Ash glacis derived from wood have been used universally since about 6,000 years ago. Using the peelings of orange, sugarcane, pineapple, and plantain as samples, we converted food peelings to ashes. This spectrophotometric analysis and determined the concentration of silicon, sodium, potassium, lithium, aluminium in each sample, which assisted in the prediction of the behavioral patterns of each of the ashes. The ashes were consequently applied on dry ceramic wares and fired at online. The result was matte, transparent, and opaque glacis. Our study of food peelings has opened the vista to the possibility of production of ash glacis from a non-wood source and without the possibility of depleting the forest or degrading the environment. Metal art objects and artifacts are regularly serviced to keep them in good condition. My work with MLNPC explores the possibility of recycling nuclearly possible waste and determine its suitability as a component of polishing and bulking agent using appropriate mining. If that servicing agents are too great to have some kind respectively for polishing and bulking. Our study on the possibility to achieve the production of servicing agents with three sizes of contained glass, fine, and superfine, where our fine servicing agents achieved both polishing and bulking qualities in just one compound. Significantly, this feat has shown that metal servicing agents can be produced locally and has also raised the classification of metal servicing agents by the quality of their grades beyond the known two categories. The result of the study has recently been published in Australia in one of the high-profile journals of ceramics, and the invention is already registered and is under consideration for patenting by the Patent Office in Nigeria. It is noteworthy, Mr. Vice Chancellor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that this professional studio practice and practicology of over 2.5 decades have cumulatively earned me the gold medal in All African Painting Contest, an invitation to the elected membership of the Academy of Sciences and the Merit Prize in the International Postage Design. Pedagogical and institutional matters. My effort in attending to the dictionary and developmental challenges and my attempt at situating artists as researchers have not been limited to my praxeology. At the above curriculum in the visual arts and the bachelor degree and postgraduate levels, we safeguards and medicine to resolve emerging challenges. I have been privileged in this regard to produce the first doctoral degree in environmental and industrial sculpture in Nigeria. It has also been my privilege to produce the first known African deaf and dumb artist career. And with this, the Minister for Critical Executive Attention to the art of the physically challenged, at least in Nigeria, has been opened. The first ever Doctor of Philosophy degree anywhere in form of material technology will be produced in this university later this year. And also, beyond the classroom, I have been most privileged to establish in this university with Professor Dele Afolabi and Ebijua, the very first academic journal, ELA, published since 1997 by the Critical Sphere, a non-institution-owned academic group based in this university. I have been able to easily conceptualize and contribute to the development in all these assignments as a result of my background in painting, which equips the artist with the ability and skills of visualization to lucidly see issues for what they have, and to also conceptualize and model the imagery of events before they occur. Painting also requires of the artist a sincerity of purpose. The foresight and perspective which I deploy for critical university assignment, particularly in planning, strategy and industrial, international institutional administration, up to my deputy vice chancellor in my being consistent as an artist. Partly as a result of this, Mr. Vice Chancellor, I was listed as one of the 1,000 leaders of world influence by the African Biographical Institute